Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2017 Starcraft. This boat has the 250 E-Tech Evinrude motor on it. It's got the blackout package, a lot of extras and features on this boat. It's got the big radius seats in the front with the big speakers, lots of storage, very plush pillow top seating. It's got the cool little sink right here. Dual captain's chair, radius seating in the back. It's got the blackout package. It's got the red E-Tech motor on it. Ski pole with a little wakeboard rack for all your water sports. Big boat. Lots of space on this. It's got the Hummingbird GPS fish finder on it. We got underwater deck lights, underwater lights, lounge lighting. Very clean boat. I'm going to do an outside picture of this for you guys. So lots of room on this boat. This is the SLS3 series. We'll get down here and do a couple more videos, show you the outside. Come on out to MarineMax at Greenville. And this boat will be online also at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 236-864-236-9005. 2017 Starcraft, great shape, almost looks brand new with the 250 on it. Zoom right around the lake. It's got the water sports tower or pole in the back, so this boat will do it all. Come on and check it out. Thanks, guys.